The 2025 Volvo XC60 blends sophisticated design with cutting-edge technology, making every drive an experience to savor. Equipped with auto headlights for improved nighttime visibility and park assist for effortless maneuvering in tight spaces, it's designed to enhance both safety and convenience on every journey. Step inside to enjoy heated front and rear seats for ultimate comfort, plus a Harman Kardon sound system for immersive audio quality. With car finance rates from 9.9% APR, you can spread the cost of your car over a flexible term of up to 60 months. Call or visit Gardx today to schedule your test drive of the 2025 Volvo XC60. Speak to our team about paint protection, tyre and wheel protection, and cosmetic repairs for complete peace of mind.